Alright, so today is I guess, I don't know, you could say an educational video. As you can see here, it's a gorgeous bottle of number 22, and this is a EDT. And so, well, let me go back a little bit. Mercari, I'm sure some people know, kind of like eBay, but you can't do auctions. You could just buy. But I'm seeing a trend on Mercari that's going on right now, and that is, if you see a good deal, then it might be too good to be true. And, well, two examples is, well, one is that the perfume can be fake. And I've seen quite a few, and usually it's Chanel, but that's not the case here. This is real. I've almost never seen a fake Les Exclusive. But the other thing is, when you buy a used bottle, a partial, from there, inspect it, because they only give you 3 days to open up a dispute. After that, there's nothing you can do, and you'll be stuck with the item. So, in case point here is, this person was selling this for $180. I mean, look at that juice. Alright, so $180 plus tax and all that stuff. This came out to $208. Alright, so I jumped on it, and this is actually the third time I've got screwed. So the other times it was an Eau de Magnolia from Frederick Mall. Was a good deal on that. And Chanel Platinum Egoiste, the older bottle. So I got them. Everything looked fine. And the number one thing I look for is for leaks. So what I'll do is, I'll take off the top, and then I'll kind of use this oil paper. So you kind of use this for your face. Alright, but this is really good, because once any fragrance gets on here, you can see it. So what I'll do is, anytime I have a used bottle or a new bottle that I'll buy, I'll make sure that it didn't leak in transit. So what I'll do is, I'll kind of place it underneath like this. Alright, and I'll put it all around, and to make sure that, you know, it's not wet. Alright, so this one I actually cleaned, so I'll go on. So Eau de Magnolia, grabbed it. It wasn't leaking down underneath here. I sprayed it, and all of a sudden the whole bottle started leaking. So that was a defective sprayer. So sometimes where the tube and the sprayer meets, it'll come out. Some of it will come out from here where it's supposed to, and then the rest will leak out in here, and then eventually make its way out here. So the Eau de Magnolia, I had to give it back. So the Chanel Platinum Egoiste, again, I received it, good deal, that you could say was too good to be true. Again, sprayed it, leaked, had to return it. And so, you know, typically I don't mind, because I know I'll get my money back, so I'm just very cautious. So I got this, and I was so happy. I mean, come on, for the price, that's amazing, right? So I get this, I spray it, and guess what happens? It leaks all out here. And I cleaned it up, because I'm about to ship it out. But before I ship it back, I wanted to make this video to let everybody know here that if you do shop at Mercari, that some people might be giving you a really good price on something, and be very cautious when you receive it. Unfortunately, a lot of people are trying to take advantage of people, because you only get 3 days to decide, or not even if it's 3 days, if you get the bottle, you look, right? It's like, oh man, this is great, perfect, right? So what do? You go leave them a review, 5 stars, and then that's it. So you've committed to buying the product. So people are trying to be sneaky and unload their defective bottles on you, but they can sell these, but they have to write in the description that the bottle leaks and that it's defective, but they don't. So when that happens, you automatically will receive the return on the product. And so this is just if you're new to Mercari or you've been shopping there, just a few tips and tricks to watch out for when you do shop at Mercari. And unfortunately, this has to go back. I contemplated on keeping it, but I rather it leak from the collar, because then I could just keep it upright and then just spray. But every time I'm going to go to wear this, it's going to leak out, and then I'm gonna have to wipe it down, and I don't want to go through all that. And so the search continues for one of these. Alright, I hope that helps anybody. Take care, guys. Peace. Woo.